Creating exceptional soil for your raised beds is where true gardening magic begins. When you have complete control over your growing medium, you're essentially becoming a soil architect, designing the perfect foundation for botanical success. Today, I'll share the time-tested methods that will transform your raised beds into thriving ecosystems where plants don't just survive, they absolutely flourish. The perfect recipe: mastering the essential mix. The cornerstone of exceptional raised bed soil lies in achieving what I call the golden ratio of ingredients. Your base should combine equal parts high-quality compost, coconut coir or peat moss, and coarse vermiculite. This trinity creates the ideal balance of nutrition, moisture retention, and drainage that plants crave. Premium compost forms the heart of your soil ecosystem, delivering sustained nutrition while fostering beneficial microbial communities. When selecting compost, seek out material that's dark, crumbly, and smells pleasantly earthy. The finest compost will have been aged for at least 6 months and contain a diverse blend of organic materials from kitchen scraps to yard debris. Coconut coir has revolutionized modern soil building as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional peat moss. This remarkable fiber retains moisture beautifully while maintaining the light, airy structure that allows roots to explore freely. Unlike peat moss, coconut coir is pH neutral and comes from a renewable source, making it the sustainable choice for environmentally conscious gardeners. Coarse vermiculite serves as your drainage insurance policy, creating the air pockets essential for healthy root development. This expanded mineral prevents the soil compaction that suffocates plants while ensuring excess water moves through the growing medium efficiently. The investment in quality vermiculite pays dividends in plant health and longevity. Transforming good soil into extraordinary growing medium requires strategic biological enhancement. Worm castings represent nature's perfect slow-release fertilizer, providing gentle nutrition that won't shock tender roots while introducing beneficial microorganisms that create living soil. Mycorrhizal fungi inoculant works like nature's internet for plants, forming symbiotic networks that dramatically expand root systems' reach for water and nutrients. These microscopic allies can increase a plant's absorptive capacity by up to 10 times while improving drought tolerance and disease resistance. Mix the inoculant directly into your soil blend or dust it on roots during transplanting. Aged manure, whether from cows, horses, or chickens, contributes substantial organic matter along with essential macro and micronutrients. The key is ensuring complete composting. Properly aged manure should be dark, crumbly, and free from strong odors that indicate incomplete decomposition. Texture and structure, creating the perfect growing environment. Achieving ideal soil texture requires understanding how particle size affects plant performance. Your finished blend should feel springy when compressed, holding together momentarily before crumbling apart naturally. This indicates proper moisture retention without waterlogging risks. Fine bark mulch incorporated into your mix provides long-term organic matter as it slowly decomposes, continuously improving soil structure while feeding beneficial organisms. Choose hardwood bark that's been composted for at least 3 months to prevent nitrogen competition during breakdown. The squeeze test reveals whether you've achieved optimal texture balance. Grab a handful of moistened soil and compress firmly. It should maintain its shape briefly when squeezed but immediately break apart when poked. If it remains tightly clumped, increase drainage materials. If it won't hold together at all, add more moisture-retaining components. Seasonal soil care is essential for maintaining long-term health. Healthy raised bed soil, requires thoughtful seasonal maintenance to preserve its exceptional qualities. Each fall, incorporate a 2-inch layer of fresh compost to replenish nutrients consumed during the growing season, while maintaining optimal organic matter levels. Cover cropping during dormant periods prevents soil compaction while naturally enhancing fertility. Fast-growing crops like crimson clover or winter rye protect your soil investment while fixing nitrogen and adding organic matter through their root systems and eventual decomposition. Regular pH monitoring ensures your plants can access available nutrients effectively. Most vegetables thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil between 6.0 and 7.0 pH. Simple soil test strips provide adequate monitoring, though professional testing every few years offers comprehensive nutrient analysis. Creating superior raised bed soil is an investment in seasons of gardening joy and botanical abundance. These proven techniques will establish growing conditions where your plants reach their full potential while the soil improves with each passing year. If you found these soil-building secrets valuable, subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more expert growing techniques, and share this guide with fellow gardeners ready to elevate their raised bed success.